Today I'm going to make fruits and nuts vegan chocolate. For this I need half cup almonds and a half cup of sugar. I have taken half cup of dried berries, this is cranberry, and half cup of coconut oil. I need unsweetened cocoa powder for this. First of all, I'm going to dry roast the almonds on low flame until I get these fine cracks in the almonds. Then I'm going to grind the sugar to make powder. Then using the chopper, I'm going to chop the almonds and the berries together to get small chips of this size. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients. First 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, then half cup of coconut oil and mixture of fruits and nuts, berries and almonds and sugar. Now I'm going to give it a mix. Now this is looking slightly runny, so I am adding more fruits and nuts, chopped fruits and nuts. Now this is good, this is looking good. The consistency is pourable and good. Now I'm going to pour this into the chocolate mold and filling the chocolate mold with the help of the back of the spoon. Fill the molds completely. The remaining mixture I have added to cupcake molds and I have refrigerated it in fridge for few hours, like 2-3 hours. This is how it looks after taking out from fridge. Now the chocolate is ready and we need to demold it. It's looking beautiful. The surface is shiny and the almond is crunchy. Cranberries are chewy. So our vegan bittersweet fruits and nuts chocolate is ready. Thanks for watching.